Hey guys, Grease Monkey 34 here, coming to you with a video about something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing something with these bikes, or at least those two. But yeah, I'm going to put up on the screen now what I'm going to be making. It's going to be a two-person rider bike, where the seat is right over the rear tire and both of them are combined into one. So yeah. Now to get started on this madness, you need two bikes. I'm going to be taking the front forks out of both of them because I only had one wheel in the front. And this whole piece up here, the seat and this bar, and this seat on a piece be leaving because I want the rear shock still. I'm going to have the rear shock on both of them, so they're going to have full suspension three-wheel bike. So I'm going to get the removing those pieces, and yeah. Okay guys, I took the tires off. I loosened the handlebars. To get these grips off, if anyone knew, if you take some soap and a water bottle and just grab a screwdriver in there and spray some in there, they pops off right away. I'm going to be taking off the gear change and the brake assemblies because I don't want no front forks on there, on both of them. And I'm going to be cutting these pieces off and welding the bar across to connect both of them together. So yeah. Okay guys, now you got the whole thing apart on both bikes. And these are all the pieces. That red set of forks seized really bad, so that's not going to happen. But this yellow pair is savable, so I might keep those for the front. So now we're going to trim this pipe off. Steel pipe, but I'm going to keep this one and make it for the middle. And this pipe going across, I'm cutting off. And this one here. And around here. Around where the shock mount right here. So this whole front top assembly comes off. So I can weld a, the thing is I'm going to weld a pipe from about here to like where this one is. And they're going to go about 3 feet back by the rear tire, if you can think about that. And I'm going to do the same on this bike before I weld anything across. Okay guys, got it all cleaned up and all the pieces cut off. And I disconnected the cables because they were just getting in the way. So when I weld or something. But yeah, I got this all cleaned up in here. All ready. I got these cut at the same angle. So, it's pretty much in place where they're going to be. I'm going to weld a bar from there to there. And then weld this piece came off of here a little bit right in the center. So it had one tire in the center. And then yeah. And I'm going to weld a bar from here all the way to like somewhere around the back of the axles to mount the seat back further. Okay guys, just getting ready to weld. So I got this 1/8 inch bar, 2 inch round pipe, going around. I cut nice cutouts in the bike frame, and I got them all nice and square, ready to weld. Look really like square on. Everything level. So I'm thinking it's time to weld it in. Okay guys, I got the pipes welded on somewhat. And then I'll make some more going across this way. And I put 2 so I can mount the seat. But yeah, it come along pretty good. I got the steering wheel on. Already took it out for a little test ride. Janky sound, but that's the way it goes. Yeah, I didn't even got the steering bolted on. But yeah, she pedaled pretty easy in high gear. Adjusted the shocks on both sides, so the same draw weight. Both of them are 650s, so altogether like a 1,300 pound. Spring weights. But yeah, I can put it down on this, my whole weight on it just barely moves on this spring. And then imagine your seat used to be here, and now the seat going to be all the way back here. So it's more leverage. So I can't believe the springs have worked good right now. Okay, next I'm going to weld some pipes going this way. I'm thinking 2 because you can't get in the way of the pedals or your legs when they move. So, yeah. And reinforce the steering a little bit more. Okay, get to going. Okay, guys. Got the bars on the back welded in to make it all nice and strong. Tie everything back in. I threw some handlebars on it for now. I'm going to use these ones again, but I'm going to make them longer. And yeah, up more. Yeah. So it's carrying on pretty good. I'm going to try to find a couple seats for it. That's the hard part to find. So, yeah. But this is where I'm going to leave it off for today. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.